G'day, it's Grant Coleman here from Big GC BBQ. Today we're completely off grid and we're going to cook on the KickAss 50cm electric barbecue and on the PowerBoss and the Ultra X 230 amp hour battery. Today we're going to cook a T-bone and a cube roll steak. And we're also going to use a little bit of the new Big GC rub. Just a light coat of Big GC. Then I'll put the sweet beef on the other side. And we'll roll over. It's a nice coating of sweet beef. So we do that. Let's give it a nice little pat. Here we've got the 50cm KickAss electric barbecue, heated up beautifully. Got a few figs, capsicum, a couple of mushrooms cook on there as well. We'll put our steak on, our T-bone on first. Oh, listen to that sear. Beautiful temperature. Let this steak cook for about 3 minutes on each side. I like a medium rare steak, usually about 132 Fahrenheit. And then I know it's cooked to a beautiful medium rare. Little drip tray on the end. Catches all the fat, which is a great little idea. How good's this?
Mate, you've done it again.
Try a bit of this good steak.
Here we go.
See?
Oh, that's
Something
good mushroom.
It is special.
Well, mate, I think there's no questions to be asked. This barbecue absolutely cooked those steaks so good, and they are mint.
Absolutely perfect.
Pristine. Well, mate, if you want them, jump online or head in store.
Absolutely. Powered by the KickAss PowerBoss and the Ultra X 230 amp hour battery.